Here we are on the way to Singing Bird Farm. My grinding commute here. Haines, Alaska. There's a Mount Lil over there. It's the little sister of Mount Riley. So here we have Singing Bird Farm, May 5th, 2018. It's still very early spring here, but things are starting to grow. We had this turned over last week, and as you can see, there's a bunch of clods in it because it was still frozen even last week. But Ralph has been building me these beautiful raised beds, and I already planted one up and more to come. A little bit about the water out here. Here's the water table down in the old furnace room. I've actually have seen this running. It comes out of that far bank there, like a little spring at the base. You can see the well over there. And here is my stream. Pretty good size. Seen some dolly, good sized dolly in Dolly Varden last year. Take you on the tour. Property line is pretty much at this stream, even though it meanders a bit. Wanted to show you my soil, my prized possession. This is the subsoil that was basically the topsoil was all scraped off and put in a pile over there when I got here, and I've been very pleased with how fertile this soil really is. It's an old forest fire, and there's all these ashes and what looks like a clay, like an oxidized kind of soil, but when I grew stuff in here last year, it grew even better than in the peat, rocks and all, and the pH surprisingly is neutral. It's been so long, and all the biochar and ashes and everything's just combined just right that it's actually very good soil, even better than this very humusy, very rich, almost too rich soil that they trucked in for me. This is going in the raised beds. This is fine, however, not as many rocks. Good for growing all those carrots. And real quickly, I just wanted to show you my rocket stove I made the other night. And it's pretty cool. Just kind of casually drop whatever you want in the top. And it really lights up the night. Here's one of these beautiful raised beds. I have already planted a variety of seeds in here. Just trustworthy stuff this year. Peas, chard, kale, a couple different lettuces. Are my Hercules hybrid organic pelleted seeds. And this is not 5,000 seeds here. And this is not all the carrot seeds I have. I have lots more rainbow colors, all kinds of stuff. Okay, just past where the stream on my property comes out. So the stream actually comes from that Mount Lil watershed, which I named Mount Lil. It's on the other side of Lily Lake, and it's a little mountain, and comes out of like some marshy banks, marshy forest up above my farm, and then comes down into this